I've seen countless videos that talk about this viral new niche, and the problem is, a lot of them are just making the videos without following the correct YouTube guidelines. It doesn't matter how viral your niche is. If you didn't do it correctly, you can't monetize it. That's why I'm going to show you the correct way to start this niche as a beginner. So if you really want to make some money with this niche, follow my exact steps without missing out on anything. This niche is called the creepy horror stories niche. The reason why this niche is going insanely viral is that these stories are interesting, and the animation style is also unique. This is an evergreen niche as well, which means starting this niche is good, especially if you are new to YouTube. Okay, enough with talking. Let's start. First, you need to use an old Gmail account to create your channel. If you don't have an old one, create a new one and warm up the channel for at least 14 days. The reason for doing this is to avoid a shadow ban on YouTube. After you create your channel, the first step is to select an interesting name. Make sure to select a name that can represent this niche. These are some example name ideas I generated using ChatGPT. You can do the same. And the next step is to create a small description. Make sure to include keywords related to this niche in the description. This is part of the SEO process because the YouTube algorithm doesn't have enough data about your channel. After you create your channel, the first step, and the algorithm can then easily identify your target audience. Once you do that, go to YouTube Studio and select the channel settings. Here, you need to select your country, and then you need to add channel tags. Channel tags are basically the keywords related to your niche. So these are the keywords that I'm going to use for this niche. After you create your channel, the first step, then you need to go to this feature eligibility option, and you must verify your mobile phone number before you start to upload videos. Once you do that correctly, your channel creation and optimization process is done. Let's move on to the content creation part. Now, our main target is to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within at least 2 months. The best way to gain subscribers is to upload short videos. If you can upload at least one short video a day, you can easily achieve this goal. But if you want to make real money, you need to upload long videos as well. At least they should have an 8-minute duration. First, let me show you how to make short videos. Then I will show you how to make monetizable long-form videos. Honestly, this process is super easy. I normally use Clippy AI for this process. They have recently added this template specifically designed for this niche. And remember, we are only using the short videos to attract subscribers, so it's better to use an automation AI tool to create short videos. Then we can focus more and put a lot of time on long videos, okay? Clippy AI has a lot of templates. For this example video, I'm going to use this creepy cartoon style template. So I used ChatGPT to generate some short video ideas for these stories, and these are the topics I got. Now, I'm going to select one of the topics from here. Let's go with this, the sewer children incident. I'm going to copy this topic, and if you have a video script, you can add it here. Since I only have this video topic, I'm going to select this AI script option, and let's paste the video topic to this, and I'm going to select 1 minute as the video duration, and let's make the video script. As you can see here, the video script is generating, and once the process is done, make sure to select this dark cartoon template. Let's go to the next step, which is selecting a suitable AI voice actor for our video. We have a lot of AI voices available. I would recommend you select a voice with a deep tone because it can make that creepy tone with weird background music. Once you do that, click the Generate Scene button to generate all the scenes according to our video script. This process might take up to 2 minutes. Looks like all the scenes are completed. As you can see here, all the scenes are in the dark, creepy cartoon style exactly as we wanted. And if you want to regenerate any of these images, just click the Regenerate icon, and it will generate a new image for that scene. After that, the next step is to select a background music from these songs. Make sure to select a creepy and scary music. Then, we can select a suitable subtitle style from these templates. I like to go with this yellow color template. After everything is completed, you can render and export the final video. And let's take a look at it.
In the heart of the city, a chilling urban legend whispers through the streets. It's the tale of the sewer children, a haunting story that began in the 1980s when children mysteriously vanished without a trace. Parents searched frantically, but the only clues were strange sounds echoing from the depths below. As the days turned into weeks, rumors spread. Some claimed the children had been taken by a sinister force, while others believed they had found refuge in the labyrinth of sewer tunnels beneath the city.
So, just like this, you can easily create short videos for this niche with Clippy AI, and you can easily upload 1 video per day with this automation method. And you can get this AI tool from the link in the description. Now, let's move on to the long video creation. For this process, you need interesting video topic ideas. These real mystery stories look interesting for this. I'm going to go with this topic, which is the toxic lady, Gloria Ramirez. Now, when it comes to creating the script, you can use ChatGPT to generate a unique and good script, but make sure not to use that script directly. So, what you need to do is use this prompt and add the topic of your video to this. Then, you can generate a script for this topic. As you can see here, we have an amazing script. But if you want to monetize these long-form videos, you need to convert this script to your own words. Don't just copy and paste this script, read it, and change it to your own words. Then you can use a tool like 11 Labs to convert your new script into voiceovers. I'm not going to show you that, because it's really simple. Everybody knows how to use 11 Labs. Make sure to use a deep and interesting AI voice for this. Now, the next most important thing is to generate suitable scenes with this creepy, dark cartoon vibe. The best way to do that is to use Google Nano Banana. I'm going to use some AI videos and some screen recordings as well to make the final output. Let's first create our AI scenes. First, I'm going to add this prompt to Nano Banana. This is a pre-made prompt to create those creepy, dark cartoon images. After that, all you need to do is simply explain the scene you want according to your script. Then, this AI will combine the scene with the prompt we provided and generate images. So, just like this, you need to complete all the scenes in a similar manner. Once you create all the necessary images, you can use any AI video generator to convert these images into videos. We are not going to use steady images for long videos. I used VO3 AI to convert these images into videos. And you can also find some real images related to this incident from Google and make a few screen recordings of those. Finally, we need to find creepy background music for these videos. For that, you can use the YouTube audio library, which has a lot of background music that you can use for your videos, and those are copyright free. Once you gather those, you can use an editor like CapCut to put together all those and make the final video. Okay, I have added AI videos and real images with the voiceover, and if you are using CapCut, you can add some horror effects to these video clips as well. It will increase the quality of your videos and it will make them more creepy. Once you add all the scenes to this, you just need to go to this text feature and click the auto caption option to generate captions for your video, and make sure to add a good font style and matching text effects and animations. Finally, add the horror music to the timeline and your video process is done. Here's the intro part of the video I made with this exact method.
Imagine walking into a hospital expecting nothing more than another shift of tired patients and routine emergencies, but instead, the very air begins to poison you. The patient on the bed isn't just fighting for her life, she's radiating something so strange, so toxic, that everyone who comes near her collapses. This is not fiction. This happened in 1994. And the woman at the center of it all would forever be remembered as the toxic lady.
SO, just like this, you can easily create both short and long-form content for this niche. If you have any questions about this niche, feel free to drop a comment. And with that, today's video is about to end. I wish you the best of luck, guys, and I will see you in the next video.